Hi friends! Today we are going to create an umbrella. Let's see what are the materials needed for this project. White chart paper, sketch pens, scissors, ice cream stick, glue gum, circle protector, pipe cleaner, and most importantly, the curiosity to learn. Let's see how to create an umbrella. For that, first we need to draw a circle. You can use any round circle object to draw it, or you can use compass. After that, cut it. Next, we are going to mark the center of the circle. And draw the lines. Now we are going to cut the circle into half like a semicircle, two semicircles. Now you are using sketch pens to decorate our umbrella. Here we are using white color chart paper, so you can draw what are the patterns you like to be in your umbrella. You can draw some circles and fill it with colors, or you can draw some stars. Here I am using only the circle dots. I am using the circle protector to draw the perfect circle. You can draw what are the patterns you like. You can draw, or you can write also. It's up to you, your wish, or you can leave it as empty. Even you can use the black chart paper to make an umbrella. Do you know the basic umbrella was probably invented by the Chinese over 4000 years ago? But the evidence of their use can be seen in ancient art and artifacts of the same period in the Egypt and Greece as well. So it is like officially not declared that Chinese is a one who created the umbrellas. The evidence shows all the Egypt and Greece, everyone has used this umbrella on the same time period. I got this information when I'm reading some facts about umbrella, so that I can share it with you. Some extra information I would like to share it with you while we creating an umbrella. So similar way you have to do it for the other circle as well. It will be little time consuming process, but once it is done, it looks so good. You will be satisfied with the work you have done. Do you know why most of the umbrellas are black? Actually, black can absorb heat, so it became a standard practice to use black cloth in the making of umbrellas. The black fabric dries faster because black or darker surface absorb more heat from the surroundings. The lighter surface, and as a result, the evaporation for process is faster also. That's why most of the time we are preferring black umbrellas. So meanwhile we covered most of the part. Now our semicircle is ready with the design pattern. So now we have to cut the semicircle into half, but don't cut it till the end. In one part of the semicircle, we have to cut it from the top part, and in another one, we have to cut it from the bottom part. Make sure it both have the same level of cutting, the front and the top. It should fix like this perfectly. So it should fix like this. So our top part of umbrella is ready now. Now we'll take the ice cream stick and a pipe cleaner. You can cut the pipe cleaner into two and make the holder using the pipe cleaner. I'm using hot glue gun to paste the holder, that is the pipe cleaner, into the ice cream stick. Now we'll paste the ice cream stick into the umbrella top part. See, our umbrella is almost ready. You can use some pom-pom to attach on the top of your umbrella as well. See, you can attach some pom-pom to fix it on the top. So our first umbrella is ready. Moving on to the second type of umbrella. For that we have to draw the umbrella pattern. So here I am drawing some octagon shape. After that I am doing some flower shape. Okay, so like this you can do it. You can make it bigger or smaller. In which shape you want, you can do it. After that, cut it and fold the edges like a flower. Fold the edges, all the edges like this as a flower. So this will be our umbrella top part. So here also you can use the same circle protector to draw some patterns. In this second type of umbrella also I am using the same method to draw the patterns. So it's done. Now take a straw and glue the top part of the straw and attach it at the center of our umbrella top part. See? Your simple umbrella is ready now. Look at her umbrella.